Ever found yourself staring at the price of an asset on Uphold, thinking, if only it would drop just a little bit, then I'd buy? Or maybe you're thinking, as soon as it hits this certain high, I want to take some profit. If that sounds familiar, then you've already stumbled upon the core idea behind a limit order. So, what exactly is a limit order on Uphold, and how can it become a valuable tool in your trading arsenal? Let's break it down. Imagine you're at a bustling market, not unlike the digital marketplace of Uphold. You see a particular fruit you want to buy, but the vendor is currently selling it for a price higher than you're willing to pay right now. Instead of constantly watching the price and hoping it drops, you tell the vendor, hey, I'm interested, but I'll only buy it if the price goes down to, say, 50 Nigerian Nairas. That's essentially what a limit order does for your trades on Uphold. In more formal terms, a limit order is an instruction you give to the Uphold platform to buy or sell an asset at a specific price or better. For a buy limit order, you set the maximum price you're willing to pay for an asset. Your order will only be executed if the market price drops to your specified limit price or even lower. This is fantastic for those moments when you've done your research and have a target entry point in mind. You don't have to sit glued to your screen. Uphold will automatically execute the trade if your price is met. Conversely, a sell limit order allows you to set the minimum price at which you're willing to sell an asset. Your order will only be executed if the market price rises to your specified limit price or higher. This is incredibly useful for taking profits at a desired level or for limiting potential losses if you're looking to exit a position at a certain point. Now, why would you choose a limit order over a simple market order, which executes your trade at the best available current price? Well, the key advantage lies in control. With a limit order, you dictate the price at which you're willing to trade. This can be particularly beneficial in volatile markets where prices can swing rapidly. By setting a limit, you avoid the risk of your order being filled at an unfavorable price. Think of it this way. If you place a market order during a sudden price surge, you might end up paying more than you initially intended. Similarly, during a sharp dip, you might sell for less than you hoped. A limit order helps you navigate these fluctuations with more precision. However, it's important to understand that a limit order is not guaranteed to be filled. If the market price never reaches your specified limit, your order will simply remain open until it expires or you cancel it. So, while you gain control over the price, you might miss out on a trade if the market moves in the opposite direction. On the Uphold platform, placing a limit order is usually a straightforward process. When you go to buy or sell an asset, you'll typically have the option to choose between a market order and a limit order. Selecting limit order will then prompt you to enter your desired price. You'll also usually have the option to set the duration of your order, how long you want it to remain active if it's not immediately filled. A limit order on Uphold empowers you to trade with more intention and strategy. It allows you to set your price targets and execute trades automatically when those targets are met, freeing you from constantly monitoring the market and potentially securing better entry or exit points. It's a valuable tool for anyone looking to take a more controlled approach to their cryptocurrency or other asset trading on the platform. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.